You're annoyed that you can't block everything on your school Chromebook. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in today's video. So firstly, paste this link which I have in the description down below, or any other link which I'll have many different links in the description down below. When you are here, you're going to want to search up replit.com in the bottom, and then don't press open in browser, but press open direct. You'll get brought to here, and then when you are here, just press login and log in with any of your details. Continue with Google if you want. The next thing you're going to want to do is search up Nebula, and then press the top link right here, the Nebula one. When you are here, you're going to want to press fork and run, and when you press fork and run, at the bottom right you can see fork REPL, and then just press that button right there. When you do that, it will bring you to this page right here. Just press the X in the top right hand corner and it will say the REPL is booting. Press run and wait for it to fully run until you see a website, which is right here. The next thing you're going to want to do is press new tab, which is in the top right hand corner, and you'll get brought into the full screen version. Then you can search up whatever link you want, such as discord.com. It will do it, and yeah,